Luis Martin, the art engineer, and I see some familiar faces over there. Behind the camera, we have
the one and only Chunky Baker. I'm back.
You guys, we're back. So good to see everyone. Pia, oh, Jewel, Joanne, hey, Millie, you made it. You guys, I was in San Francisco for 3 weeks. The sun came out 2 of those 3 weeks. It was tough. Elvis, where were you?
I was in Puerto Vallarta.
Elvis
nice and sunny every single day.
God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Listen, if you have sun, you enjoy that sun. If you have rain, learn how to dance in the rain. I did. I'm glad to be back. I love New York. I love my studio. But remember, home is everywhere you go, right? All right. So I have to talk about some serious stuff, you guys. So I'm glad you're here. Welcome. While I was in transit from San Francisco to New York, Karen, the energy's rising. Hey, I see Ashley over there. While I was traveling, I got the really sad news that one of our art fam passed away. A very important person to us, Matt French, who was actually the cover of our January collage kit. And he was, hey, it's Madeline. And Matt was an amazing collaborator. He collaborated with Madeline, with Joanne, with Terry. I mean, super beautiful person. So we honor him today. We have the candle on. We have incense on. So it's a really important moment to just, hey, Wendy. It's a really beautiful moment to honor Matt, honor our lives and how we carry on. And how do we carry on? Hey, no way. Is that Joelle? Joelle, Christy, welcome. You guys, so let's celebrate. And the way we can celebrate is by making more art, by connecting, by collaborating, because life is short, right? And just like paper, we're super fragile. And just like paper, we need to be art. We need to be the art we create, right? So long live Matt French. We are thinking of him, and he lives on in us. So let's play. All right, so talking about San Francisco, stay tuned. I have an announcement after this. What else? I came home and listen, San Francisco, New York is such an expensive city that you can't open thrift shops anymore. There's no thrift shops. And it was raining. So I'm going to work from some scraps that I have. So come on over. This is what I do, right? I collect. I'm a hoarder, you guys. So I'm going to go. It's Ileana O. Ileana O, where are you? We need to chat. So I have scraps. I don't throw anything away, which is not a good thing, you guys. So when you do feel like this, sense of like dread, cleaning is super #cathartic, right? So let's see. I have hands. I'm gonna use this. I have flamingos. I have look at that. Okay, we have some beautiful stuff. So how is everyone? Is everyone okay? Listen, winter has really made itself. Oh look, I made this. I made this in San Francisco, you guys. I made this for a video, and only part of it recorded. And I do 2 videos, right? One looking at me and one looking at what I'm making. The one looking at me did not record, and it was just this, or vice versa. The thing is that I got really deep. I was like almost crying. I was like, San Francisco's really tough. It's raining, and there's so many homeless people. So I think it happened for a reason. So these are some of the stuff.
She loves flamingos. She's asking what the weather is in New York right now.
Who knows? Who cares? The weather is actually really cold. We went to a cafe, and it was so windy. My jacket was like a cape. I was almost airborne. Check that out. I'm done. Okay, so sometimes all you need is a beautiful place. The last collage that I made for the YouTube today, actually, was this one. And this was all about kind of creating all this beautiful chaos and then creating a space that you can occupy, right? That you kind of want to be in. So this is my space. I really want to be here and hanging out with these prickly cacti. Yeah, I love it. And today, look at this. Without even trying, we've created another space. Has anyone been to San Francisco? And if you have, where did you go? Because I went to the Embarcadero. I stayed in the financial district. It was beautiful. It was cold.
Joanne is saying Montreal is under the snow again.
Again, yeah, you know what? So, okay, here's the question, right? How do you keep your spirits up when it comes to that? Because I really did feel San Francisco brought me down a little bit. So this is what I do. What did I do? I went to the gym every single day I was there. I'm not kidding. The gym, you need to go collect your endorphins, you guys. Endorphins are real. Elvis didn't have to try anything because it was sunny and hot where he was, so he was just like
I was
enjoying
enjoying my beach and my pool.
and your book, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
And the spa days too.
Spa days, oh my gosh. Check this out. I'm kind of just, I'm not cutting anything like a collage. I'm just cutting out things and putting them on top, right? So,
Patrick Collage is saying, what GSM thickness paper do you recommend?
Ooh, that is a very sophisticated question, my dear. GSM, what does that mean? I'm an artist here. So I usually use...
She was saying, in San Francisco, I only went one day, Barber and Lombard Street.
Oh, Lombard Street, yes. So much fun. It was too cold to go to there. I usually use... what do I use? Let's look what am I using. What am I using now? So this is...
146 GSM?
Where do you see that? There you go, see? I can always count on Elvis. Yes, there you go. But no, I usually use the other one. Where's the other one? Here it is. It escapes me right now. But this is what I usually use, Bristol. And Bristol is 260. It's thicker, and if you ever want to draw on it, you can, and it'll take most glues. So that's something to think about. This is honestly the thickest, cheapest paper, but I needed something bound for traveling, so I used that. So look what's happening here. I'm just using squares, kind of like a scrapbook, and something, I like it, but I don't like this amber because there's not enough contrast, right? We want a little contrast in our lives.
Jennifer saying, I guess in the cold weather, a cold backdrop welcomes warm cozies.
Yes.
Madeline is asking, what book am I reading? I was reading The School of Greatness.
Elvis has turned a corner. He's becoming a self-help person like me.
Joelle says, I went to Fisherman's Ward and the Gilliard Chocolate Factory.
Ooh, yeah. Ghirardelli.
Ghirardelli.
Yes. When did you go? Look at this beautifulness, right?
Madeline's saying she was there also.
Look, already made. Yeah, it's a fabulous place. It is pretty expensive, but it's a fabulous place for foodies. So if you're a foodie, save for a couple of weeks and then you go, and it's just beautiful. It's just a great time. Ooh, check this out. So why am I liking this? All the colors are really humming, right? I love when colors hum. And I'm gonna start gluing. Also, when you're doing this, right? I'm not adding any pressure, trying to make anything beautiful. I'm really, right now, just trying to have a good time with paper, especially, if we're moody because of recent temperature losses, if we're upset, if we're in mourning, give yourself that space to just keep your hands busy.
Well, Jennifer's saying the Mission has great food too.
The Mission is another story, my friend. Can I tell you? They have really amazing restaurants there, but it's so scary, the gentrification between how rich one thing is and right next door to it is someone screaming their head off.
Jennifer says we need a son. Madeline says, so Miami?
Yes, please. Yeah, it was between Miami and San Francisco, and I needed to go see my nieces. I wanted, that was the warmth that I needed.
Oh, Veronica is saying hello.
Veronica, where have you been? I love Veronica. Every time I see your picture, I hear jazz. Veronica was a music teacher, and she makes music now. Okay, so I have a W that I want to turn into something else. So this is really fun. When you have letters, you can play with the orientation. Oof. So we're really excited about the next collage kit, you guys, because we had something in mind, but now we want everyone, and I'm going to give it away just because it's an important message. Each month we have a prompt and it asks you to do something, right? This month our prompt is collaboration. In honor of Matt, we want you to collaborate. So if you're not a member, you don't get the kits, it doesn't matter. Go collaborate. What does that mean? Go call a friend. The first person that comes to mind, who came to mind, and collaborate them. They don't have to be an artist. They don't have to be, anything They don't have to be members. They just have to be a willing participant in your life, and see what happens. Oh my God, love this.
Joe was saying the past 3 days in Arizona has been 38 degrees in the morning.
38
it's usually
degrees?
Very cold. He's freezing.
No.
Captain Collage is saying Wendy thinks the W is fabulous.
I love it, Wendy. Yes. I love Wendy.
Oh, Veronica's saying her first art show Saturday.
No.
On the 28th is excited.
Excuse me. Okay, we need to celebrate this. Are you serious? I am so proud of you, Veronica. Veronica started collaging a few years ago, and she's a marvelous artist. And now she has a show. Congratulations, everyone. Give her a fist. Give her a heart. Congratulations, and we will be with you in spirit. All right, get back here. Okay, I'm almost done. I really like how this layering is happening here. And it's subtle, right? You can kind of tell that they're layers, but you can't because there's all this like pink and light blues. But I need something else. Also, you guys, this, oh wow, check this out. Did someone give this to me? Look how beautiful that, what, you guys? Holy mother of God. Someone gave this to me, I think. Or did I take this? I don't know, but this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, it's from the New York Public Library. Wow. Okay, I'm putting that to the side. Oh, look, this is Matt French. This is the other Matt's cover. How cool. Matt Horner. Okay, we're almost there. Also, we have our meeting this Saturday. We have our members meeting. Oh, look. Who's that? Yay, Millie. Thank you. Woo, we're all celebrating Veronica. Veronica, you got your fans over here. We're rooting for you.
Yeah, Veronica's saying it's in Hartfield, Pennsylvania.
We're on our way. Ooh, this is kind of cool. I'm not into Hollywood, and I hate the whole Hollywood machine, but there's something happening here. Let's see. It's kind of ominous, too. But I feel like I need to cut something since I haven't used my blade. So if you remember, you guys, we have our meeting this Saturday. So I'm excited to connect with everyone and see how the new year has kicked off for you. So come on.
Joel is saying, let us know when we can order wellness books again. I need 3 for gifts.
Yes, they are coming. Oh my God. So I am so happy, Joel. Thank you so much for asking for them. Yeah, people are asking for them. And we have a bit of a backlog with our kits too. The poster house here in New York just made a huge order. So we're really excited about that. We're gonna have to hire somebody, Elvis, to come help us. So if you're in New York,
that's a good thing to have.
If you're in New York, we might need your help. Okay, here we go. Look how cool this is. Yeah, this is gonna do it. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna be too romantic about it because it's not about James Dean. It's more about the idea of driving, right? I like this idea. P.S. I love to drive. There is a highway in San Francisco, 280, where you're driving from Daly City or the airport, and the hills just open up at some point, and you see the city of San Francisco. Just like, wow, I love that. You know, I was doing that listening to Sade. Okay, yes, this is it, you guys. This is my collage. Yes, I love it. Okay, let me put this down. Where are my strips? And then we're gonna look at it really quick. All right, don't go anywhere. I have an announcement in a minute. All right, loving this, you guys. What do you think I should name this? Start thinking about that.
Madeline says, P.S. I hate to drive. I want a driver.
Madeline, I'm gonna shame you in a minute. Ooh, look at that. Madeline has a very nice car, so sure, give me your car and we'll drive wherever you want, sister. Okay, so this is my collage. Why do I like it? Every time anybody freaks out about anything, anxiety, fear, I always say, don't worry about it. Trust yourself. You're in the driver's seat. You're the driver. And that's good or that could be bad because we know how he ended. That's another story. But if you, center yourself, put on your seatbelt, you will be fine because you're in the driver's seat. I also love this whole sign language. FYI, as a fun fact, Matt French couldn't speak, so he did speak sign language. So that's beautiful, and receiving sign languages, and just the birds, even these birds fly? I don't know. Flamingos? Yes, I think they fly. They're huge, they're pink, they fly. Whatever. And of course, the M for Martin, the M for Wendy, the
W for Wendy.
The W for Wendy, the W for wonderful. This is my collage, you guys. And let me put the music back on. Yes. So let's meet here in the studio. This is a safe space. If you feel a little out of tune, there's tons of YouTube videos that I've made about centering yourself here. All right. So as a thank you for joining me tonight, I am giving everyone there, a San Francisco Digital Collage Kit. So send me a little message right now. There's 14 people in the live, so I'm going to be giving away 14 of them, and I will email it to you for free. They're on the website for $10, free to you. You guys, I'm so glad to be back. Elvis, it's so good to see you.
It's great to be back.
I will see you guys here, there, and everywhere you take your phone. All right, you guys, long live life and art.